YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receiving so much with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell another friend to tell your mama and them because we are lady over here. And without further ado, today y'all, I just wanted to share some information with y'all. I'm currently on a journey of saving more. You know, even though y'all do see these unboxings, like I probably mentioned before, I pre-record a lot of my videos. A lot of you may know, some of you may not know. I do have MS, so a lot of times it's just like you have your ups and your downs. Lately, I've been having more downs than ups, so it's just like when I'm up, and that means I'm recording video after video. I might change my shirt, might put on a headband, might put my part in the little to the side a little bit. So it's just like when I'm having a good day, I try to push out as many videos as I can, just to, kind of store up the, keep my promise to y'all of always uploading on Sundays. Sometimes I do like a little extra video, but most of the time it's just Sundays, strictly Sundays, uploading videos. So, your girl's trying to save money, be more responsible. When I was in my 20s, I really wasn't very conscious when it came to like spending money, because it's just like I had this mentality like, okay, you'll make that money back. You got a job, you don't have kids, you got to treat yourself, do this, do that. Oh, you did good on the test, buy you a purse. Oh, you did good on, on a paper, go treat yourself to some food. And I was always just spending money on food and buying like materialistic stuff. I'm not a materialistic person, but I love purses. I love jewelry. I like jogging pants. I love graphic tees. I got this, what is this? Graphic tee of Aaliyah. Got this from Walmart. I love going to Walmart, just buying stuff, even if it's just hygiene products. Like, your girl just be like buying stuff. I don't know. Sometimes I just like buying stuff because I just be like, ooh, it's making me happy. When I'm sad, I like to shop. When I'm happy, I like to shop. When I'm angry, I like to shop. And it's like I'm trying to switch over to not being like that, because it's just like now that I'm in my 30s, I'm like, ooh, if you're blessed to see, you'll be 40, 50, 60. And it's just like you just want to save money for rainy days. You never know, you might have a car problem, might have to, I don't know, have to pay a bill or pay an extension. I ain't gonna lie, I've had to call and made an extension on a couple of bills, so there ain't no shame in my game. So it's just like now that I'm older, I'm trying to be more conscious of money and stuff like that, regardless of me, working, going to school so I can get, a better paying job. The job that I'm at, the pay, I'm not complaining about it, but it's just like I got to get out of that mentality that, hey, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it back, I'm gonna make it back, because that's not the point. Um, so yeah, I'm just trying to do better with spending. So if y'all see dupes, y'all be like, she always be buying dupes. Don't get it twisted, y'all. I be finding deals. Klarna, Zip, whatever I want to do, need to do if I don't want to dip into my money. So it's just like, I buy stuff and treat myself to stuff now, but I try to be more conscious. Right now it's March and I'm on a no buy. And if I do buy something, it literally has to be like under $40. Because when I get paid, I pay my bills, try to put something to save to the side, then I like take some money out just to treat myself to something. So if I treat myself to something, just like that's it. So um basically I'm on a no buy slash small purchases. So if it is something that I want to purchase, it literally has to be, including tax, has to be under like $30 or $40. Like, so serious. And that's where there is a purse, an item, food. But when it comes to like bills, hygiene products, food, like food like milk, orange juice, necessities, that's different. I'm gonna buy it. But when it comes to certain stuff, I'm definitely putting myself on a spending limit and I'm sticking to it. And so far, I have seen a difference. Like, I really have. And yeah, so on YouTube, y'all know I be scrolling on YouTube, whether it's dupes or fashion, because your girl trying to dress a little chic. She look cute, but still stay, you know, true to myself. But I was scrolling and I was noticing people were doing this thing called an envelope challenge. And I wanted to know more about it. So, I watched certain videos, and I noticed that they were just saying that they were doing a challenge, but didn't really say where they got the idea from. They just were like, well, I heard about it or I seen it. So I'm just like, let me do my own research, because I like to do my research before I do something. So went on Amazon, start looking, came across some books, some good idea books. And I'm just like, light bulb moment. And I ordered the books and been looking at them, and it's definitely making me realize little ways that I can put back money, like even if it's just $1. People might say, what's just $1? 365 days in a year, which means you can save up 365 days by the end of December 31st. You got to look at the, the long term, the bigger picture. So it's just like whether it's $1, $2, $5, $100, whatever's in your budget. So I decided to invest in this debt payment tracker. So basically, like, if I get a loan from my mama or somebody, yes, my big self be getting loans from my mama. And what about it? What about it? So if my mom like loan me money or something like that, whether if it's for gas or something simple, just to hold me over the payday or something like that, I like to jog it down, or jog down like my rent when my rent's due, my utilities and stuff. I like to jog stuff down because every so often I like to look and say, okay, what's due? What do I need to make a payment on and stuff like that? Whether it's a credit card bill, your utilities, your rents, car note, car insurance, whatever your bills is that you have, is good to just keep a tracker. Like, even though it says debt payment tracker, just to write stuff down. Sometimes people like me, I'm a visual learner. Like, I have to see you do it, then I'll be like, okay, I can do it. So it's like I like to visually see, yeah, I could put it in my phone, but it's just like certain personal information I don't want to put in my phone. Because worst case scenario, if I drop my phone, break my phone get lost, stolen, that stuff is in that phone. So I'd rather just have a hard copy and just be like, okay, this is what I owe. This is what I got left on the balance. Oh, I got zero balance. I paid it off. So it's just like, I decided to get this. This was $4, y'all. It's called a debt payment tracker, and they got different kinds. But y'all know me being cheap, I put a debt payment tracker book under $5. And then I did decide to get this book. It's called The Ultimate Book of Savings Challenge. I don't want to open these books because I don't want to, like, I don't know if you can get, like, I don't want no copyright issues because I don't want nobody to say, oh, she's sharing my book without my permission and stuff. Y'all know the technicalities of the business. I'm just saying. So I'm just going to read some stuff to y'all. So there's $1 saving challenge, $5 saving challenge, $100, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $10,000, 30 days saving challenge, 52 weeks saving challenge. There's a savings tracker, like whatever challenge you decide to do. They even got the 100 envelope challenge for $5,000. $1,000 savings challenge for 1 month. And y'all, I just thought this was really cool just to have, something like a hard copy. So it's like me, I'm the type of person, some people might not like banks, banks, certain jobs, whatever. Some people might not like banks because it's a job, somebody has to do it, especially when it comes to like politics and stuff. Some people are like, I'd rather have my money in my house. I don't want my money in my house because, Lord forbid, like, what if my house catch on fire? What if something happened? What if there's a break-in? I don't want to, I'm not keeping my money in my house. I'm sorry. So my thing is, you can still follow this without having the money in hand. You get what I'm saying? So my thing is, like, when I get paid, I still follow the challenge. I would say, okay, when I get paid, if it's weekly, depending on how you get paid, like if it's daily and you get paid every 2 weeks, whatever, how much that amount would be for that week or 2 weeks, you would just put that in your savings and just do it basically pertaining on how you would, get paid. Some people get paid bi-weekly, every 2 weeks, maybe once or twice a month or every week, depending on your pay period. So it just really depends on you. But my thing is, like, once I get my paycheck, put that amount in there, put it in my savings, don't touch it. And, stuff like that. So I thought this was really cool to have. This was under $5-ish. Definitely was under 8, but I know this one was definitely under 5. So these are the 2 books. I make sure y'all can see them. So once again, this is the Ultimate Book of Savings Challenges. So y'all, I just had to come up here, share with my family, get y'all hipped, and ding, 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 let that bell ring. Hey, ding, 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 let that bell ring. And we got a giveaway. So if you made it to the end of the video, we have a giveaway. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be giving you one of the 2 books. You'll have to get your own debt payment tracker. That's fine. Y'all got it. So I made the purchase of this. This is the Ultimate Book of Savings Challenge. So I'm going to be giving one of the lucky family members this book along with this keychain purse. And you say, why does she give away the keychain purse? Because the hashtag word is going to be in my bag. In my bag. Because we get into the money. Like this year, it's 2023. We're getting to the money. We're saving. We're being conscious of our spending, but still looking and living bougie on a budget. There's nothing wrong with it. Don't tell nobody, oh, don't wear that dupe. It's fake. You fake if you wear fake. Ain't nobody trying to hear all of that. You wear what your money can buy, what your budget can afford. You heard? And I tell you all the time, regardless if I can afford the real deal, I ain't buying it. I told y'all, your girl got held up and I had to give away the purse. I'd rather them take a dupe than a real purse because I'm going to be sick with it. So, once again, hashtag in my bag. It's going to be somewhere up here. Y'all know what the rules is. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you're following my IG on at Rare Secrets. We got TikTok now. We ain't uploading nothing yet, or we might have by the time this video come out. Follow that too at Rare Secrets also. And make sure you put hashtag in my bag. So once again, the rules is follow the channel, make sure you're subscribed, like the video, thumbs up, make sure you're following my IG and TikTok if you have, social media, if you're into that thing. If not, you can still, you can still enter. Another thing, I don't know if y'all know, but regardless if you won in the past, you can enter in any and every single giveaway. Don't think, oh, well, I entered one and I won before. If you don't enter and participate. Closed mouths ain't gonna get fed. You need to participate. So regardless if you won in the past, present, or future, enter in the giveaway. So we have this. You're gonna be getting this, the Ultimate Book of Savings Challenge book to help us save them points. And you're going to be getting this keychain with the little pom-pom. It's a dupe of the Hermes Kelly bag because we in our bag. And who go check me? Y'all got to hear Mama Rare do it. She be doing it. It'd be so funny. But yeah, y'all. So once again, make sure you enter. Follow the instructions because your girl's going to be checking. Making a list, checking it twice. And may the best family member win. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.